Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini offline. Unfortunately, Gemini is an AI assistant that requires a constant internet connection to function. It relies on powerful cloud-based servers to process your requests and generate responses. This means that, at present, there isn't a direct method to use Gemini without being connected to the internet. Its core functionality is deeply integrated with its online infrastructure, making offline operation currently impossible. Gemini's advanced capabilities stem from its ability to access and process immense datasets stored in the cloud. This requires a continuous internet connection to retrieve information and utilize the necessary computational power. Furthermore, the model is frequently updated and refined, with these improvements delivered seamlessly online. This ensures you always have access to the most current and capable version of the AI. While Gemini needs an internet connection, there are other options if you require AI-like functionality without online access. You might explore local large language models that can run directly on your device, though they typically have more limited capabilities. Some applications also offer basic offline features, such as note-taking or simple task management. For information, downloading articles or ebooks for offline reading is always a good strategy. The field of artificial intelligence is rapidly advancing, and future developments might bring more robust offline AI solutions. Local models are continually improving in efficiency and capability, potentially allowing for more sophisticated AI to run directly on personal devices without an internet connection. This could open up new possibilities for how we interact with AI in various environments. And for those who love to read, whether online or off, you can find a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.